Are you a digital coach sick and tired of junk leads spamming your system every single day? You're wasting your precious lead cost, your time, energy, and money, and you don't know how to put an end to these junk leads which are spamming your system every single day. If you really want to put an end to junk leads entering your system, today I'm going to share three powerful secrets which are going to end this problem once and for all because we have solved it for ourselves, for so many of our clients. And today I'm going to give you some very important strategies that are going to be a game changer. So, one of the things that we have seen when coaches start running ads or even when they are experienced coaches, one of the things that we are seeing is a lot of junk people just type in their email, phone numbers, and their details. And what ends up happening is we start acquiring data which is totally useless. So, how do we optimize for high quality leads is what we are going to share in this video. Hi everyone, my name is Taiba Mahmood. I'm a sales automation coach. What I do, I along with my team, we take away your marketing and sales headache. We set up your entire marketing, sales, and automation systems for your coaching business so that you can focus on your coaching business. In this video, I'm going to share three important secrets that are going to help you improve the quality of your leads. So let's get started. So, how to improve the quality of your leads through meta ads? Okay, the first thing a lot of people don't understand is ads are the new targeting. Creative is the new targeting today. So inside Meta earlier, it was you could target people with interest, geography, and a lot of other factors. But with Andromeda coming into picture, it is no more like that. The only way you can target your right target market is through ads. So how can you eliminate junk leads at the ad level itself so that they don't even sign up or even go to that page where they have to click on the learn more or book now just through the ad? How do we make that ad so powerful? It is a very simple strategy. So you need to keep in mind that you have to repel the wrong target market and you have to attract the right target market in your ads. How do you do it? So it's a very simple exercise. You write out a list of people that you don't want to work with, people who drain your energy, who are not the right fit for you. List everything that is coming to your mind and just list it down. And then, on the other hand, list the qualities of the prospects with whom you love to work, who can become your clients, and it would be a joy for you to work with them. Once you have this list, put these angles inside your ad. So I'll show my angles, what I have made for my own ads, and you can understand it from there. Okay, so repel the wrong target market, attract the right ones. In my case, the clients that I do not like working with are half hearted and inconsistent clients. Clients who treat coaching business as a get rich quick scheme, who don't see their coaching business as a business, rather, they see it like a side hustle or a hobby. People who are constantly crying, complaining, and playing the victim. People who blame system circumstances instead of taking responsibility. They look for shortcuts instead of mastery. Ego driven people who are not open to learning new things and feedback, who feel that they know it all, right? They expect results without effort or execution. They're emotionally reactive and action avoided. So these are the kind of people that I would give my arm and a leg and still not work with them. I don't want to deal with such people. So how do you put these? You actually take some snippets from these quality and say, hey, if you are someone who thinks that coaching is a get rich quick scheme, this is not for you, right? Then you say things which are, you can say, first list down qualities which will first repel the wrong target market, and then list down qualities which can attract your target market. So in my case, what is my target market? People who are fully committed, they treat coaching business as a long-term profession. They take 100% ownership of their results. They're action oriented, emotionally mature, open, coachable, hungry to learn, open-minded, growth oriented, willing to unlearn and adapt fast, passionate about learning, driven by purpose, impact, and high calling. So these are the kind of people I love. And I would put these points inside my ad. I will take two or three top pointers if you're someone who's fully committed to building a real coaching business, a digital first business who treat coaching. So from the ad itself, the wrong target market, people who are not your ideal customers, will be getting repelled. You will be able to attract the right people. Another important thing that you can do is you can actually insert these qualities even in your ad copies. When you write your primary text, heading, description, you can even insert these characteristics in those portions, because when people read it, they will come to know, hey, this is for me or this is not for me. So this is the first step. You don't remove people when they come inside your system. You remove people from even entering your system. So ad is the first level that will prevent people from even entering the system. The second and very important step is increasing fiction. How do you increase the lead quality? By increasing fiction. How do you increase fiction? You can add some instant forms and you can add more questions. So one of the things that I've done with my own instant forms is I have added a couple of questions. I have also added an O2P verification. If you have not added it to your ads, I think that is a big mistake, because that helps you verify if the people who are signing up are genuine or fake. So you can have an O2P verification. Along with that, have a lot of questions, and that can help you filter out people, because if somebody is not serious, they're not going to fill out that long form. Then you can bring them to a landing page, and from there you can even ask more questions, and they can be in depth. You can make it paid, because paid means even if they pay 100, 50, doesn't matter the amount. What matters is they have made a financial commitment, means in future too they have the potential to make a financial commitment. And then you can add, so what I've done is I've added an instant form from where people go to my landing page. From there, they go to my calendar. So what I do is in my calendar, again, I ask more deeper questions. So in the instant form, there are like questions, but they are not so deep. They are questions which are meant to understand if they are serious and committed. And then when they come to book a clarity call with me, there is the part where I ask them more deeper questions. Like maybe I will ask them for their website, for their Insta page, for more details. Are they ready to invest and all? So these questions will give you a clarity if they are serious or non-serious buyers. Another great thing that you can even do is you can add a video before they book a call, so that the expectations are set right. And in that video, again, you can put the characteristics of people that you like to work with, and you can even share the characteristics of people with whom you would not like to work with, and then list like a make a VSL for if you want a video, how you can make a VSL and all of that. Maybe in future I could create a video. But right now, for getting quality leads, again, adding a video would also add a layer of seriousness, because when people watch your video, then they sign up. There is more authority. They know your story. They know the kind of results that you have produced. They know what you can do for them, and they are taking a much more informed decisions. And therefore, this is again another level of friction that you add. And then when they go to the calendar, again, they have deeper level questions to answer for them. So this becomes very solid as a criteria for getting people inside to book your calls. And then another layer if you want. So one of the things that we have done, we have applied all these layers. Along with that, you can also get them qualified through a caller. So what you can do is you can ask your appointment setter to speak to every single lead that you get. And if you're doing one-on-one high ticket calls, you can just ask that, hey, where do you live? What are you doing? What is the current challenge that you're facing? How can you, what is that you're expecting out of this clarity call, right? With that, you will get the intention. Are they really serious? It takes a while to figure these things out, but I have figured it out, and I'm sure with this video now, you will have a better clarity how you can figure things out for yourself. By the way, if you want us and our team to set up your entire marketing and sales system, just book a call below. Simply book a clarity call with, and we will help you set up your entire marketing, sales, and automation system. Again, the condition is if you're serious and committed, only then apply. Otherwise, if you're just hopping from webinar to webinar and you're not sure and you're just exploring, please don't come, because it is only for serious and committed people who want to make serious decisions about their coaching business. I hope this video was supremely valuable, because it took me a long time to figure out how do I start generating quality leads. And I have seen this is the pain point of 95% of the coaches. I have been in multiple coaching communities. I've personally known a lot of coaches. I myself have a coaching community of 300 good coaches, and even these coaches are facing such problems. So, it has been my observation that getting quality leads should be a top priority for all of you. I hope this video helped you. And if it really made a difference to your life, so please like, share, subscribe, share it with a friend, family member who genuinely needs this video, and let us know in the comment section what are some other topics that you would like in the future. With that, I will leave you. I will see you another week. Take care.